Hi, good day everyone. I am Romar Villacorte Eli, BSMT second year student of Our Lady of Fatima. And in this video, I will all discuss all about boxing the compass and teach you one technique to easily memorize and familiarize each point of the boxing the compass. And before all that, we must know what is boxing the compass. Sure, here's the content of the article Marine page that explain what boxing the compass means and how it works. Boxing the compass refers to the naming of all 32 points in marine compass from due north in the clockwise direction during the golden age of seafaring. Boxing the compass meant the sailor had to name all 1 to 8 points on the maritime compass, which also includes fractional points. However, the practice has since been limited to 32 points, as this made the reticle such easier. A standard maritime compass includes 32 points, which are collected into the division of cardinal points, intercardinal points, half points, and a quarter points. The cardinal points refers to the four direction, north, east, south, and west. The intercardinal points include the direction of northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Half points are obtained by cutting the angle of the practical direction in half, and the quarter points are obtained by cutting the angle between 16 points above in half. Each point is at an 11.25 angle from the next, and they can use to be a main navigation while traveling at sea. If you want to convert degree to one of the 32 points of the compass, you can divide the degree by 11.25 and count compass point from north bearing. It is important to understand the logic of compass point and make conversation based on the cardinal points and intercardinal points or quarter points. Boxing the compass is still taught as the important skills in such maritime academies, as it shown respect for traditional seafaring method, allow the pieces communication in navigation. Now we know all about boxing the compass. Now we will proceed to the technique or strategy that I use to memorize or easily understand or comprehend each point of the boxing the compass, and that is the 8 strategy that I use. Proceed. We already know the explanation about the boxing the compass. Additional information: the cardinal points is divided into the 90 degrees, and that conclude the each quadrant of the boxing the compass. And boxing the compass consists of 4 quadrants. The first quadrant is consists of 90 degrees angle or 90 degrees. Now, now we already know that boxing the compass has 32 points, and each points consists or equivalent to 11.25 degrees each point in each point of the boxing the compass. To get the overall degrees is we need to multiply the 11.25 to 32 degrees, and the equivalent or the conclusion of that is 360 degrees. Now we will proceed in getting the additional vector or each point of the boxing the compass by using the 8 strand. Is 8 strategies or 8 strat. In using the 8 strand, this is the process and step-by-step process of the 8 strategy that I used in getting the points or every points of the compass rose. And I already wrote the step by step. The first step is, oh, by the way, we are getting the first quadrant, which is the north to east, and this is the step by step process, from up to down. And this is the first up to down, and that is the first step. First step is up to down, and that is north by east. north by east North by east. Next step is up to middle, or north to intercardinal points, which is the middle of north and northeast, the first quadrant. And north to up to middle is northeast. That's the second step. The third step is from the middle to up. That is the third point. Northeast by north. The fourth point is already given because it is the intercardinal points, which is the northeast. Just copy this. The fourth step is from the middle to down, or from northeast to east. That is the fourth step, and it is equal to the 5 points, which is north by east. Northeast by east. Fourth. The fifth step is here. Down to middle. And that is northeast. The last step is down, go back to up. That is east by north. And that concludes the first quadrant. Now we will proceed to the second quadrant, which is east to south. Just follow the process from here, east to south. And that is east by south. Next, east to the middle, or up to the middle, is east southeast. Next step is from the middle to up, from southeast to east, and that is southeast by east. Next is from the middle to down, or sa baba na naman. From the middle to down, southeast to south is southeast by south. Next is from down to the middle, and that is southeast. Next is from down to top, and that is by east. And that is the 8th strand. Now, we already done the second quadrant. Now we will proceed to the third quadrant. The third quadrant is located between the south to west. Just write down the south, the intercardinal points southwest and west. Following the steps from up here directly to down, and that is south by west. Next is from up here, from south to southwest, up to the middle. That's the second step. And that is south-southwest. Third step is from the middle to the up, or from the southwest to south. And that is southwest to south, southwest by south. And the next point is just write the middle or the intercardinal points, the southwest. Next step is from the middle or from the southwest to west. And that is southwest by west. Next is from down here, from west to southwest, down to middle. That's the next step. And that is west, southwest. Next is from down here to up, west by south. And that concludes the third quadrant. Next, the fourth quadrant. The fourth quadrant which include the west, northwest, north. We just have to follow again the step-by-step process, which is up to bottom or down, up to down, and that is north, west by north. Next is up to middle. Here, that's the second step, up to middle. Up to middle is west, northwest. West, northwest. Next step is from the middle to up. Middle to up. That's the third step. Middle to up is northwest by west. Northwest by west. Next step is copy this because it is given already the internal it is given already northwest, the internal cardinal. Next is middle to bottom. Here, middle to bottom, and that is northwest northwest by north. Northwest by north. Next is down to middle, which is north to northwest, equivalent or equal to northwest. Northwest. Next, the last step of the 8 strategy that I use is from bottom go back to up, which is equal to north by west. North by west. And that, fellow cadets, are or is my 8 strategy that I frequently use all the time in getting the every points of the boxing the compass. And that conclude my explanation about getting easier to understand or memorize the every point of the boxing the compass. I hope you understand, and thank you for watching, fellow cadets.